audible. Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Hi, how are you? How is everything going on?
Yeah, I'm fine. And what about you?
Even I'm good, thank you. So I think this is the first time we are talking, or have we met before?
Yes, yes. Yeah, this is first time. Actually, I have a new in Clapingo. I have almost 8 to 9 session and 3, 4 session already missed.
Oh, that is
Uh,
unfortunate. So good to see you today. So let's introduce ourselves. You go first.
yeah, myself, Natwar. I have completed BTech in 2012 and I have more than 9 year experience in oil and gas field. And currently, I'm working in Jamnagar, Gujarat, Reliance Defense.
That's amazing. So hi, I'm Apoorva. Even I have done my engineering. I have done it from electronics and telecommunication branch. I have been working in Clapingo since 1.5 years, and yeah, I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. So it's good to see you here today.
Okay. You are working here full time or just part time?
I was working full time earlier, but right now I'm working part time. I'm also working as a data analyst. So yeah.
Okay, okay. Data analyst. Okay, your branch is EC.
Hmm. Yeah. What about you? You were
Which
from
year
which branch?
you passed out? Yeah, my branch is mechanical, but actually I am also preparing for data scientist now. So actually I need to
Yeah, everyone is
because
like really into that role these days. Yeah. Sorry, you were saying something.
yeah, because in future only data is in market and more opportunity also is in data science or data
Hmm.
scientist and data engineer also. And in my field, in mechanical field, obviously it's a big field, but now current situation is here growth are too much less, and because here plant head designation in my industry almost 30 years experience, so he earn maximum almost 2 lakh something, and here software field you already know people are starting in 2025 and average package is almost actually my college is in Delhi, Maharaja Agra Senayati University, and my
Hmm.
batchmates are most of the people are CS background now currently in 40 and 50 lakh average package almost 8 to 10 years.
Wow, that's amazing in a
Uh,
way. But
yes.
like
And
when the
which
package is around 40, in hand salary is like 2 lakhs
yeah
or
in hand
less than
yes
two.
yes in
Yeah.
handed is less.
Yeah.
Uh, but from my field, it is now software is a booming sector now because
Hmm.
too much vacancies are there and too much opportunity is also there. And after 5G, this is also a booming.
Yeah, that is also true. I don't know what to say. Yeah, it makes sense.
Which year
Uh,
you passed out?
uh, Last year,
Okay, last year you can say
so I got my degree in pandemic.
okay. So you are working in any say company in data analyst or only
No,
work? Okay.
it is a startup, not a big one. Startup. So yeah, but it is difficult. Like I kind of agree with you on this one that it is very difficult for us to get into it because even my branch is kind of
Yes, yes.
parallel to CS. It's not completely CS branch. So
But
these
but
people get
mostly
first.
but most EC most of the people from EC 80% people are settled in software field because
Yeah.
last 10 to 15 years here semiconductor crisis in the world, so electronic and India almost last 10 years no any job creation for electronics.
Actually,
Some jobs.
in Pune, semiconductor thing is going on really well. Like there are few startups who are working on the hardware of it and everything, but it is very difficult to get into that field also. Like they need experienced people, so that is also one
Yes, yes,
big,
obviously.
yeah. If there are experienced people, semiconductor industry like pays like crazy. You won't believe it. Like I've seen people whose
Yes.
packages like 60 and all. Yeah, they get paid very well, but it's difficult to get into the core field. Even mechanical people have good packages, right? Like earlier when you
No,
started, the packages must have been high.
No, I already have a good package.
Yeah.
Last means 2017 to 19, I was just worked in Muscat, Oman. So their package are my package are almost that time 16 to 70 LPA. And after the pandemic and some family issue, my father passed away in 2019, and I'm a single caretaker for my home. So last 1 or 2 years, I am in my hometown, so no going to any job. So after that, means 2021, I have started from Jamnagar, Gujarat. So currently, I'm also in almost 8.5 something. So package is good, but in mechanical, 12 hours working and something like industrial job, so hectic now. And in the IT sector, you are in mostly remote job now, and people also want, and company gives you can go and work from home mostly because company benefit also. So I just switched on, not properly now, but just planning for to data scientist. So I have take one course also through an academy, re-level
Yes, yes.
at
That is a
data
nice one.
scientist course. Yeah,
Yeah.
data scientist course. So 1 month already passed away, but just now only aptitude and Excel basic. After in coming days, Python and SQL and something like that. So just
Yeah.
try. If anything possible, then okay. Otherwise, my current job is satisfactory, no issue.
Yeah, if both
Okay.
of these things work out really well. And I think a re-level is a good one. Like people have gotten jobs through
Yes,
re-level.
yes, yes.
It's good.
My,
It's
my,
good.
my friends referred me for this. I don't know this platform. Only I know about Unacademy.
Mm.
No, don't know about re-level.
Re-level.
Some
Yeah.
friends are, yeah, some friends are taken course from there, and he placed some RKTM and some Mastercard, Visa card, some another company was. So my friends are said you can take the course in your working, because here course timing is mostly 8 to 11 in night. So you
Mm.
you mm, you got the job means you uh, working, and after your job you can attend the session and classes. So just trying 8 months course in 1 month already completed. After 8 months, is anything possible here? It's okay. No means
Mm.
it's no any no take any job comes up here. So I'm currently working, so no issue.
No, no, no. You'll get the job. Don't worry. You're putting so much efforts for such a long time. Obviously, you will get the job. It's a
Yes,
nice
yes,
thing. You can start with the tests also, like just aptitude test and all. Like try to give the re-level test.
yes, yes.
Level.
Re-level
Yeah.
each and every week tests are conducted. Last 2 3 tests only aptitude test, and in coming days aptitude and Excel and Python and all tests are at the re-level platform.
That's
And
amazing.
you can go without joining the course. You also go the Google and crack the test. If you cracking the test, then re-level provide your almost 4 to 5 company interview. If your score is 50%, more than 50%, because 1,000 total means is total 1,000 numbers of means including aptitude and your core subject total. And if you get a score more than 500, then you have an opportunity to sitting in an interview.
That's good. It's a good thing, I feel. It's like a hackathon, right? At the end of the day. It's a nice
Yes,
thing.
yes.
And okay, now I have a lot of questions. Like, are you interested in all these things like Python and data and collecting data and
No,
everything?
no, not interested. And I have no any knowledge. SQL, I know something because in my college, one subjects are DBMS and one SQL
Hmm.
also. So just the introduction of these things, and Excel. I already worked 3 to 4 years almost in Excel in
Hmm.
my current profession. but I don't know about anything Python. But people are saying Python is some easy and it's a good also because here no issue, just like C. In C you go to the programming and anything mistakes, so programmer not run and totally you can correct. But in Python something here easy maybe.
Yeah,
You
absolutely.
do you know Python?
Yeah, like we had to do it, all of these. The Python is the
Okay.
easiest one, like easiest. Something even easier than that is HTML. You'll have to learn it like in later stages because to collect the data, web scraping, for that you will require HTML, a little bit of it. But Python is very easy, the best language, and it has a lot of compatibility. Like you can literally do anything with Python once you know it. So it's best.
Okay. And why you left the job data analyst? Package are
No,
less
I'm
there?
still working. No, I'm still
Okay, still
working. I
working.
just joined, like recently I joined, and I have been working in Clapingo since like 1.5 years now. In pandemic, I joined Clapingo.
Yes, yes, it's good because some income also here and
Mm.
entertain also because too much means in a day almost 10 to 15 strangers people you can talk and something experience sharing. So it's a good platform also. And I already only attend 5 to 6 session and yesterday session my college one girls are from my college in BBA background. He passed out in 2021 and I have
Mm.
passed out in 2012. So just a coincidence in a
Mm.
clapping go.
Wow, that is so cool. That is amazing in a way.
Yeah, it's amazing. Okay.
Meeting
And
people.
or again, so data science Phil, from your point of view, it's good or not a scope in future because you are in the same field.
Mm. I don't know. Honestly speaking, I don't know because when I entered, I was having a lot of hope, but I really don't know right now. It's very difficult to decide what will happen in this field because, but learning machine learning and all is more important,
Yes,
I
yes,
feel.
machine learning and Power BI.
Yeah, like there is a part of just visualizing data and all those things which anyone can do, and it can be automated. Like the thing that I am doing, it might get automated in 1 or 2 years. So the next step would be to go into machine learning or something like that if we want to stay relevant in this field. So it's very
Machine learning,
competitive.
Power BI, and just like a tools.
No, 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 no. Machine learning is completely different and Power BI is completely different. So machine learning is like based on Python and all. So you are training the machine to think in a way and automate every action. And Power BI is just like you put the data and they will show you a dashboard.
Output.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah, like just a dashboard and pie chart and all those things. So it will be easier for you to get the analysis. Yeah.
You mean machine learning is some difficult,
Yeah, it is. It is
and
very
it's
big. Like,
important also. Okay.
yeah, it's a huge field, and there are a lot of possibilities in machine learning. So here you will have model development and all that. You'll understand after
Yes, yes.
a month or two, and it will be very interesting. I don't want to take that away. That moment when you some like after learning something about machine learning, our mind just blows. And like, wow, this a machine can do this. So I don't want to take away from you that moment. But it's great. Like there is a lot of scope, but it is very competitive. So we need to have like a lot of dedication for the field. This is something that I feel. Yeah. And even this is nice. Uh, I don't know. Data analysis and all, even that field is great, but it might
Data scientist is different from data analyst.
in data science, there will be inside data science, there is data analysis. Then machine learning engineers also come under data science and AI. Like there is a Venn, if we consider a Venn diagram, it is like a little uh, collaborating like that. Yeah. So
Okay, when my course are in coming days. So I will take the another session also with you. If any issue through
Oh
data
God.
scientist and machine learning, also learn from in this session. Okay,
No,
in
you
future.
you will learn machine learning. I think in re-level also they will teach you machine learning. It is
Yes,
a
yes,
part of data
yes, yes.
science. Yeah.
Yes, in my syllabus, machine learning,
Yeah.
are there. Machine learning, Power BI, Tableau, and Python, and advanced Python, and Excel or advanced Excel, and aptitude overall. And after that, 2 3 months, maybe internship also through
Okay.
level. So,
That is
okay,
nice.
I will
So
see in future what it is.
Power BI, Tableau, Excel, they come under data visualization. So we are just trying to see how the data is, visualize it in the form
Yes,
of graphs and all. And Python is like we will go inside the data and we will try to break the data and try to understand what can happen with that data. So machine learning and Python and all will come in that side, like actual engineering. Yeah. I don't know.
okay, great. Nice to talk with
So
you.
yeah, let's come to the feedback if that is fine with you. And if we have time, we'll continue talking.
No, I have no session. I have only
Sorry.
3 sessions in a week. I have only 3 sessions in a week. So this is the last session for this week.
Okay, no worries. I was saying let's come to the feedback if that is fine with you. And if we have time, we'll continue talking.
Yes,
We
yes,
still
yes.
have 2 minutes. So it was lovely talking to you. I love the patience with which you listen. It seems like you are more of a listener than a talker. So that is a good thing. Your explanation was good. There is a lot of politeness in your voice. The voice modulation is also at a nice place. So good job on that. Overall, I think right now you're trying to build very simple sentences and then you're taking a pause. So try not to cut the sentences. Try to say everything in one flow if possible. You were using very nice words today, like placed, provide. There were more words, I couldn't write down all of them. So good job on that also. So overall, the sentence structure and all is going on really well. Now try to make complex sentences if possible. You're trying to build simple, small sentences. Now try to build complex ones. So it will be helpful for you.
Yes.
Uh, Tell me more, like what problems are you facing while talking in English?
No, actually, I'm facing a problem when I will go to the. I will go talk for anyone, for you or any another person.
Mhm.
So sometimes the mind are blank. So words are not coming in my mind because I'm from a Hindi medium background. I have class 10 passed out in Bihar. After that, for preparation going to Patna, Kota, and B Tech in from Delhi. So some basics are issue in English fluency. So just to improve this, I joined Clapingo